Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Premiere Pro CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to fade video in and fade video out. And the fade video out is often called fade to black. Okay, Metallica fans, here we go. I'm going to show you how to do it in about 2 minutes. So I'm just going to delete all this stuff here, and we're going to start from scratch. I've got some footage in the project panel. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Now, simply take your playhead and move forward to about 2 seconds. Yeah, let's go to 2 seconds. And what you do here is you actually want to cut it. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go and grab my razor tool, and I'm just going to snip at the 2 second mark. Okay, good. So we've snipped it. Now I'm going to go to the end, and this is for the fade out. I'm going to go ahead and snip that too. So I'm going to go to 2408, and that means I got to go to 2208, which is 2 seconds exactly. I'm going to go Command K because I'm on a Mac, and that is the other way to snip it or cut it. So we've cut 2 sections off, so this is now 3 pieces of video. Take your playhead, push it to the beginning, left click on the first video, the first cut, pardon me, and then go to your effect controls panels, left click on the opacity stopwatch or the opacity toggle animation, tune that down to 0%. That means we're starting from black, and now go right to the end of the 2 seconds and pull it up to 100%. What does that do? Simple. Starts black and it fades in. That's all there is to it for a fade in. If I make this a little wider, a little longer, you'll see the keyframes starting here and they work their way up. If you want to do the same to the end, you go right to the end, you select the last piece. But here we want to do it a little differently. We want to, again, click on the opacity. We're going to left click on it so it starts at 100%, and we want it to go to 0% or fade to black. Take it down to 0%. You'll see here that it's got a downward slope. So when we click on it, bright, fade to black. That's how you fade video in and fade video out. That's all there is to it in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. I'll be back soon.